What's good, Kizomba Harmony here. I'm Billy.
And I'm Monica K.
And we're from Houston, Texas. I'd say that a lot of the Kizomba growth in the U.S. is in Texas and Florida. We've been around about 6 years, and we teach Kizomba, Semba, Tarraxinha, urban, including Tarraxo, and Sukus, Mutuashi, and African body movement. So we teach a lot of stuff.
When you're thinking about training, think of who will get you what you need. And so it first requires you identifying your goal and then seeking out the person or people that will be able to train you best in the way you learn best.
Yeah. But for us, I guess most of the people we've spent the most time learning from are from, from Portugal, UK, France, and one of our mentors, he lives in the States, but he's from Kenya. So. Foundation. A lot of times you hear foundation and you think beginner, but foundation is not, it doesn't mean beginner. It means how you do something. And foundation is important from day one until the day you stop dancing, when you die, right? Learn from instructors who are known to teach foundation.
So you keep on revisiting that foundation and you'll notice that your dance actually keeps on progressing and growing. So I'm always curving with my core.
So it's called the Kizomba Harmony African Dance Experience. It's in Cancun, December 6th through 10th. And we also have a teacher training December 3rd through 7th, which is at the same location. And we've got Rakita from Angola, UK. We've got Takosha from Angola, UK. We've got Tanya Mendonça from Angola, UK. Us. And then we also have a special urban specialty course with Curtis, who's a creator of Urban Kids, and his partner Corolla, and us.
And so it's really cool because the teacher training, what we want to focus on is building versatile dancers with a strong foundation. And so you're going to be getting a breadth of everything. And so you'll have a great foundation from body movement to Semba, Kizomba, and then urban as well.
And then the festival proper, the idea is to have one room, all styles dancing together. So we have Angolans dancing with Urban Kids dancers, and it's really fun because we've created a vibe where everybody feels welcome, and it's actually very unique in the entire industry. Yep. Yeah. So. Okay. Oh, you got the mic. I know you want the mic.
Ready for my karaoke now.